Okay, so the train came and went. This is how you select steel out, and it comes in 20-foot lengths. You can get it custom cut. They'll charge for that. And if you buy a 10-foot length, they usually don't charge extra for just nipping a 10-foot length. Today they did. You know, sometimes the prices are kind of, you know, they take a look at you and decide what to charge. So basically your dimensions are not like lumber. It's if they say it's 1x2 or 3x3 or whatever they say it is, that's what it is. Okay, and that will be the outer dimension, and then the inner, or the thickness of it on this thinner stuff, that's basically 0.65. I don't know what, 1/8 inch I think is what that's going to be. Maybe 16ths, I don't know. Anyway, 0.65 is what that is in steel dimension. And so this thinner stuff is what you can hit with a wire feed welder pretty easily. And I'm also noticing that thickness, it's not super exact. Sometimes it runs a little over. Usually won't run under. When we start looking at this type of stuff here, I'd have to look up and see what they call that, but the 0.95, yeah, the 0.95, you can start making trailer frames out of this. And generally anything that's this tubular stuff, what we call square tube, is going to be better than angle iron. Okay, angle iron is going to be more ductile. It's a softer metal. Cheaper builds are made with it, and it's not that much cheaper to buy. And then the flat stock is usually that kind of steel, but not always. And the angle iron at this yard is usually going to be over on the other side or down the row. So if somebody wants me to build stuff, it gets tricky for me to estimate everything exactly. And if I start, you know, it's like buying a 16-foot piece is actually more expensive than buying a 20-foot piece because of the cutting charges. I prefer just to come up here with whoever wants me to build the project, and we pick out the metal. That's kind of how that goes. And then here you can get some pretty heavy stuff where it's solid on those dimensions, not necessarily stronger, but sometimes you gotta be able to do that. The issue with the solids is that they still flex. I mean, there's so much of that steel's own weight involved with that we can't really build certain things out of it without running into strength and flexibility issues, because of the weight of the thing is going to be part of an issue.